Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to Mom Life Studio. Here we keep it real about mom life while adding a little AI magic to make things easier. Today, I'm showing you how to create your own background in Canva so you can bring your ideas to life. So today I am going to show you how you can generate a background for your avatar. This one, I am going to generate a different background for her. This is my avatar I use. Using Canva to generate a different background. So I bring the picture over and then I go to background generator and then I'm placing my prompt there. I'll make sure I put the prompt in the bottom for you in the comments so you can see it. And then now I am going to generate as you is the same size. There you go. And now my avatar is coming. Then select whichever I preferred. So I am going with this one. I got my avatar. All I have to do is download. Thanks for hanging out with me at Mom Life Studio. Don't forget, you can create beautiful things even in the middle of busy mom life. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.